Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the PlayStation Plus error code CE-11773-6? This pesky error code mainly pops up when users attempt to resubscribe or upgrade their PlayStation Plus subscription, or sometimes even while loading into the PlayStation Plus's game. But don't panic, because today, we're going to walk you through the steps to resolve this issue. Our first suggestion is to restart your device and your internet connection. From our research, we've found that many users who encountered this error were able to resolve it simply by restarting their console and their internet connection. If a simple restart doesn't clear up the error, the problem could be a bit more complex. The error may be due to PlayStation servers being down. You can check the status of the PlayStation servers by going to status.playstation.com. If the status isn't all services are up and running, then there is likely an issue with the servers. You can also check for any specific issues with parts of the PSN service on the same page. Alternatively, you can check the PlayStation Network status from your console. Simply go to Network under the PlayStation settings, and select the option View PlayStation Network Status. If the servers are running smoothly, the issue could be due to pending updates for your console. Make sure to check if there are any firmware updates that you need to install on your console. If there are, consider updating your console and checking to see if the error persists. In the event that none of the above solutions work, we recommend waiting a few hours and trying again. If the error still occurs, don't hesitate to reach out to the PlayStation Network support team for further assistance. In summary, to fix the PlayStation Plus error code, CE-11773-6, start by restarting your console and internet connection. If that doesn't work, check the status of the PlayStation servers. If they're up and running, check for any pending firmware updates for your console. If all else fails, contact the PlayStation Network support team. Remember, the PlayStation community is here to help you. So don't let an error code stand in the way of your gaming experience. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit Quaries.com.